How's everybody doing today? I don't know how many people will be interested in this. If you're not interested, just go ahead and click it off and go on to the next video you're watching. But I've been seeing on the news that they've decided that it does help you to keep from getting COVID-19 if you have a doubled up mask. So I got thinking about how could I do that easily. And what I'm doing is I have some of this double-sided Scotch tape. By double-sided, I mean it's sticky on both sides. And what I did was take a little bit of this off and put this on all four corners. I have little strips about 1.5 inches or 2 inches long. That's all it takes. I know there's some people out there, and this is I don't know if I want to call it a personal choice or not, because it's mandated most places, but people treat it like a personal choice. But I'm doing everything I can to not catch this COVID, whether it makes any sense or not. I figure it can't hurt because this mask doesn't hurt my face or anything. So I'm just going to put that tape on all four corners, and I'm going to take this one and lay it just right over the top, lining it up. I'm going to mash these together, applying a little pressure. Now, I have 2 of these masks hooked together, and it's not going to look like 2 masks too much when I'm wearing it out and wearing it around. And I'm even going to take, and I never have figured out which is the inside or outside of these things. This is that regular surgical mask. Now, I know if you've ordered a fancy one online or something, that you're not going to need to do this. But I'm going to cut off those extra straps I have now. Now I have a doubled up mask, and I hope that keeps me a little more safe until I can get vaccinated. So this is the second one I made. I have another one, and I've tried it out, and it worked really good, and it held together. So this would just be a backup one. I don't use a whole lot of these. I bought a pack of 50 back when this COVID thing first started out from Amazon, when they became available. You know, they were hard to get there for a while. And so I don't wear them outside, like if I'm out hiking or anything like that. But if I have to run into the store, which I do the least amount that I can get by with, if I have to run in the store, then I throw this mask on. I wear it while I'm in the store and in line. Then when I get back to the car, I take it and put it on the dash. From what I understand, UV rays kills COVID, and so does heat. Now right now you might not be getting as much heat, but I put this in the dash of my vehicle, let the sun shine on it, and I'll do that quite a few times until I throw it out. I'll put one on 8, 9, 10 times before I switch to another one. But here's a doubled up mask. That's just a little COVID mask hack, we can call it. But you know, if it's your choice to wear a mask and try to protect yourself and to protect others, then this is just a little extra protection. I hope all of you stay well, stay away from that nasty COVID-19 until we can all get us a vaccination. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps with something.